team. Today I will demonstrate AutoBots, an AI-powered email and a calendar assistant that help user to manage Gmail and Google Calendar using natural language commands. So AutoBots require Gmail and Google Calendar permission because user can read, create, draft, send emails, and as well they can view the calendar events and manage the schedule directly through the assistant. So first of all, let me take you to the login screen. When we click on this passport, it will be redirecting me to the login screen. So for the login, we have been using Google Auth. So when we click on this continue with Google, it will ask me to log in with my account. So I will select one of my account. So I have been logged in now. Now to use my assistant, I have to connect my Gmail as well as Google Calendar APIs. So to connect the Gmail, I will click on this connect Gmail. Okay. So when we click on this connect Gmail, they will ask the access to connect my account, and will ask the access to read emails, to create, draft and send emails on behalf of the user. We'll click on the continue. We'll do same for the Google Calendar and connect the Google Calendar APIs. So here we will also be asking for calendar events, create, update and manage calendar events. So now the account is successfully connected. Now let me show you the feature, how the AI system works. So here you can see I will ask to fetch my two latest emails. So my two latest email has been fetched. Similarly, I can ask for the calendar too. So my calendar event has been created. Now we'll move to the setting once again. So now we will see the today section. In today section, it basically the summary of email and Google Calendar events. So it's a daily briefing, as you can see here. Now the AI powered inbox. It shows all your emails along with its priority, whether reply is needed or not, and what type of email it is. Label the email. We have labeled the email using AI intelligence. Now we can open one of the email. As you can see, here is the email, and AI is preparing for the reply. Once AI will prepare the reply, you can click on the tab to accept that reply, and you can directly send the reply from here. So as you can see, reply has been sent. Same in the AI powered calendar. Here you can see the calendar events. When you click on the event, you can find one AI briefing, right? So here are the conversation provided from the emails, and from that email AI provided talking points for the meeting. We can if we want to view the meeting in week view, we can click on this and we can find the weekly view. Here we can find the availability of hours by checking the people to compare, starting and ending window along with the time zone. So here you can see there are disconnect button. So if I want to disconnect from this Gmail API, then I can click on the disconnect and it will be disconnected. Same for the Google Calendar. Now if user want to delete account and its data, so user can come in the time zone and click on this delete account and data, and after clicking on this we'll ask once for permission. Then if the user want to delete the data, we'll click on the OK.